Good morning, Kadoks.
Magandang araw to the whole world. It's a marvelous day that God has given us another day to wake up.
Morning view of the rice field. Look, the native mango teemed with fruits.
Wow, mga kadoks, ang daming bunga ng ating mangga.
Just throw your sight here.
Ito yung ginawa natin this weekend, mga kadoks. Tayo ay naglilinis ng ating kanal para mapagtamnan ng iba't ibang uri ng vegetables.
Green surrounding is nice for a stress-free place. This is our morning grind, making canal to protect the plants to be withered.
So mga kadoks, ito po yung ating partial na accomplishments na ating nagawa. This is in preparation na sa pagdating ng tag-ulan ay hindi malalanta ang ating mga pananim.
Papo is an industrious man. He doesn't talk too much, but just work. Planted cassava plant as buffer zone when there will be pesticides spraying in the rice field. Let's cook our merienda.
After lunch, tayo po ay nagluto ng ating merienda.
Sweet potatoes. Yube. A simple menu for merienda. Sweet porridge no in English. All ingredients are just available in the backyard.
So ito yung ube na nakikita nating nakalambitin sa mga puno sa ating paligid.
Glutinous rice with sweet potatism, nutritious you. Wow, it smells so yummy. Grating young coconut.
Mga kadoks, nakakatakam ang ating nilulutong lugaw.
The coconut milk blends the tastes of other ingredients. Guys, can't wait to taste our food.
Kainan na!
Thank you for watching. Bye for now.